Everyone, in this video I want to explain to you how to buy and sell pre-listed coins before the listing date. How to buy and sell pre-listed coins before the listing date. This video is made by popular demand of viewers on this channel. So I need to let you know that pre-listed coins are tokens not yet available on major exchanges but are trading over the counter or on the decentralized platforms before launch. Buying early can lead to big profits on listing day, but caution is key. Now, this is the step-by-step on how to buy pre-listed coins. You need to find legit pre-listed coins, and you follow platforms like PinkSale, DxSale, Gempad, ICO drops, and then you can check on Twitter and Telegram crypto groups. Example is the Blum token. It had pre-listed activities on Telegram and OTC communities. You can also check on exchanges. Some exchanges do the pre-listing, maybe OKX, Bybit, or even Binance. They have pre-listing price where people buy and sell. Then the next thing you need to do before you buy or you sell is you need to research the project. Check if it is if the project is belongs to the real team that it said it belongs to. Then visit their website, check their white paper, and check their community on social media. Then confirm if the listing exchange like MEX, Gates.io, Binance, and their OKX or BJet is official. Then join whitelist or private sale. Some pre-listed tokens offer whitelisting. You need to fill Google Forms, connect your wallet, MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Then you buy with PNB, ETH or USDT. Then token distribution is next. Tokens are sent to your wallet before or on listing day. Sometimes they are locked for vesting. So you need to check tokenomics to know if what you want to buy is going to, which category it falls into. Now, on the listing day, how do you sell? So you know the listing time. Usually listing time will be given UTC. You convert it to your local time. And then you watch the project's social media for the exact time and exchange. Then you send your tokens to the exchange. Then you deposit tokens to your account on the listing exchange, e.g. MEX, OKX, BJet, or thereabout. Then you confirm withdrawal and deposit limits. Then you sell fast. On the listing date, you have to sell fast because the moment they list, in most cases, most people want to sell. So if they list for $0.01 dollar, in a short while, the price goes down. The price dips even by half of what they listed. So you have to sell fast. On listing, prices often pump, then drop. Sell early to secure your profits. I need to sound a note of warning that rug pulls and fake listings happen. They never send funds to unknown wallets. Then use wallets with DEX protection features. Then join multiple legit communities. Then you need to start small if you're a beginner. Then use DEX tools like DEX tools, PooCoin, Token Sniffer, and others. So this is how you can buy and sell in the pre-market, and then you can sell on the listing date. So I'm going to talk to you in the next one. Bye for now.